Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy, and today in this video we are going to talk about payday loan. What is payday loan and how it works in India? Now, payday loans are small unsecured short-term cash loans that people borrow to get through the month until their next salary kicks in. It is thus a small principal being lent out, often at a very high interest rate up to order of 30 to 50%. Now, payday loans are meant for the working class who have difficulty in making ends meet and are often broke at the end of the month. These loans need to be repaid within 7 to 60 days, depending upon the loan provider. The short tenure, urgent nature of loan and repayment risk makes the loan very costly. But people are willing to take it because of the convenience it offers in the case of emergency. Payday loans in India are used for life events such as loans for wedding, medical emergencies, and payment of school fees. Now, how does payday loan work? Now, let us understand with an example. Let's assume that you have a terrible toothache and your dentist asks you for a root canal treatment. The pain is unbearable. Your dentist quotes 30,000, but you are still 7 days away from your payday and your bank account is sadly on the verge of being empty. Now you go to one of the several online payday lenders who offer you convenient payday loans. As you expect your salary within 7 days, you apply for a loan for a tenure of 7 days and for a principal amount of 30,000 at 1% per day. So this comes to around 30,000 amount borrowed plus 2,100 interest is 32,100 to be repaid within 7 days. Essentially, if you have taken a 30-day loan, you are paying 30% interest. So if you take 60-day loan, you are paying 60% interest. And in the case you are late, you are likely to pay penalties on per day basis as well. Now, what are the advantages of payday loan? Well, it can be a savior for those who live month to month and find it difficult to cater to sudden expenses. It is quick and easy. It's a fast loan that is approved and disbursed within minutes. There are no hassles of lengthy waits. Minimum documentation and formalities. In most cases, main requirement is to have a bank account and share some minimum personal financial details. It does not require any extensive documentation like other loans. No credit check, since these loans are availed often by the working poor. No credit check or collaterals are involved. Anyone can avail this loan irrespective of financial background. Now, what are the disadvantages of payday loans? The very reason that makes the payday loans attractive can sometimes put you in a vicious cycle of debt. This means you come in a debt trap where you find it difficult to come out of the debt trap. While the interest rates per day may seem manageable, when analyzed they come to be 400% annual or even more. The APR can even go to 9,000% for very short-term loans. Now, what is a debt trap? If you are unable to repay the loan in the next month itself, the spiraling over often incurs huge penalties and additional costs. This often makes it impossible to repay going ahead, making the probability of a debt trap very real. So what are the other alternatives to consider? Well, you can definitely reduce your expenses, borrow from family and friends, get a personal loan, use a credit card and pay it back when you get your next salary, borrow from the employer and keep a personal line of credit for emergencies. Thank you.